Hi, Angel.
Hi po.
How old are you, Angel?
10 years old po.
And you are in grade?
4.
Grade 4. Bakit ka sumali dito sa Artista Academy?
Kasi po, alam ko po na meron po talent na maging artista at gusto ko din po na maging proud po ang parents ko po.
Wow! Sino kasama mo dito sa
Si
audition?
mami at si daddy.
Ayan. Kinulit mo talaga sila pumunta ngayon.
Opo.
Sinamahan ka nila na maghintay dito. Anong oras kayo dumating?
Mga 12 day.
Talaga. Sige, anong talent ang isi-share mo sa amin?
Mag-rap po ako na may konting sayaw.
Rap? Ay, rap! Parinig ha?
This one for the boys with boom, sis, step down, AC with a cool sister, with a couple of gloves to blaze up, get stacked, let's save it up. Hit down, hit my guy down, hit my bottle, hit up, got a bill, he go, hit my soul, go, he owes near, but that's my coaching, motherfucker, jerk, shop, son of a shit. Kiss him on the lips, that's also
Angel, nakakakanta ka ba?
Opo.
Can you give us a song, please?
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback started standing there on the balcony of summer air. See the light, see the party, the ball girls. I see you make your way to the crowd. You say hello. Little did I know that you were on me, you were throwing this better.
Thank you, Angel. Palakpakan po natin itong batch na to. Thank you, kids, for coming and for staying. Let's go. Sama-sama na tayo. Thank you. Halika.